Why most brokers get stuck? I would say the biggest part about brokers getting stuck is fear to take that leap of faith. You know, you work with an insurance brokerage for 5, 10 years, whatever that number looks like, and you know the income is decent, but at the end of the day, you really don't own anything, which is really the sad part of the industry. The beauty of the AI solution for a managing partner program is simply that all of the difficulties when it comes to opening an insurance brokerage, you know, namely getting markets. You know, gone are the good old days when you could pick up the phone and call a Wawanesa or call an Intact and say, listen, I need a contract. I'm opening an insurance brokerage. And it comes down to, well, what can you commit from a volume standpoint? And, you know, when you look at your best years in production, you might often find that, you know, I've never hit enough in 1 year to take on one contract, let alone two. And of course, you know, certainly in the province of Ontario, you need two contracts to get a license with Rebo, among other things, of course. The beauty of coming to the broker partner program is simply the top markets are already here. The top markets have already been funded with GWP, so nobody's really concerned with regard to the fact that you have no volume. So that's probably one of the biggest barriers that it overcomes. I mean, over and above that, you know, having the tutelage of Randy Carroll, who's been in the insurance business for 37 years, and myself, who's been in the business for 33 years, there is always a large book of resources or two books of resources that you can actually go to for the information that you're looking for. You know, why does the program win? Mentorship, certainly that. Anybody who knows Randy would know that he's a bit of a technology freak. And the absolute best technology here, whether it be from a broker management system through to his ability to find business on the internet, is probably second to none. So the beauty of being a broker partner is that you're not alone. You know, you may think you're taking a leap of faith and going by alone, but at the end of the day, you have certainly two very seasoned insurance professionals who've been in the business in Ontario for a long time who are there to help you. And I think that's probably one of the biggest differences.